Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and today we are here with a different product. So as the channel name suggests, light refers to electronic gadgets, whereas drive refers to automobiles. So here with us we have the Royal Enfield Classic 350, and this is a special edition. So what's so special about this variant is a gunmetal grey paint scheme and the rear disc brake. The tank feels quite bulky compared to the Classic 350 edition. Now coming from the front, the bike feels quite bulky and it is very easy to ride and handle. This is a single cylinder 4-stroke twin spark air cooled engine and it has a 346cc displacement. Up front we have chrome styling for the headlamp and it is quite round. At the back it has a retro style stop lamp and the indicators. The suspension has a chrome finish with a 5-step adjust. This variant does not have ABS, whereas we have the option of ABS in the Signals edition. There is a chrome styling for the analog instrument panel as well. The bike has quite commanding stance, and overall it gives a good feel to the rider while driving. The exhaust tends to get quite hot even during short rides, and it is very easy to start the bike with kickstart compared to the old version. Vibrations tend to creep in through the handlebars at speeds of around 50 to 60. Now Royal Enfield could have done a better job with the headlight. It is really low powered. This is one department where they could have improved. This is a 5-speed constant mesh gearbox with 1 down and 4 up. Up front we have a 280mm disc brake with a 2-piston caliper, and this model does not have ABS. At the rear we have a 240mm disc with a single piston caliper. So the front suspension is a telescopic 35mm fork with 130mm of travel, whereas the rear suspension is a twin gas charged shock absorber with 5-step adjustable preload and 80mm of travel. Royal Enfield has decided to stick with the analog console and it has given complete analog treatment. They are giving us an ammeter and I have no idea why. They still don't give us a fuel meter or a fuel indicator. We have only the left and right indicators and the speedometer. There is an array of switches on the left which include the switches for the high beam and the low beam, the pass switches, and on the right we have the engine cutoff and the start switch. The bike is comfortable for people with a height of 5 feet 10 inches, but if you are shorter than that, you will have a hard time reaching the ground. You will get an average mileage of 37 kmpl from this bike. So coming to the final verdict, this bike is quite good to drive, but you will feel a lot of vibrations above 90 km per hour. Overall the bike is good. There is a great addition of the disc brake at the back, but the only missing feature is the ABS and the vibrations from the bike.